Court minor, look, you're going to be proved a liar. Now, what we needed is an apology for you lying on us, because you said we're not doing these things.
Black men are fathers.
So these are the things that IUIC is doing today. Black men are fathers, not stealing, not lying, not committing adultery. Marrying their wives, setting up institutions all over the world. These things are facts.
Right.
And we got it we showed it all over the world.
That's not credited, you liar. You're saying that Hebrew Israelites did that? Are you telling me that Hebrew Israelites, this is a benefit from being a Hebrew Israelite?
What?
These are things that are the benefit of Christianity.
Oh, bro.